Hello guys, today I want to introduce you to a tool I just built. This came from my personal need where I need to transform JSON one format into another. So one key to, for example, you want to transform uh, an array to another array, that you want to apply some mapper on each key of the item. So yeah, so let me show you some example. So this is the default example. So for example, you have this array and want to have full name, map this to full name, and for example, you have a list of properties like this, and then you want to turn to a flat list like this. So for example, I have another. So Joe would may probably have another one called 10. Then he will have a property count like this. So for example, here we have type car, for example. Need to have this, right? And so for example, this one type, I don't know, what property start with the D? I don't know, like dog, yeah, probably. Are dogs properties? I don't know, but you got the idea. So here are some other examples you may want to use to find this useful, and also you can have this one in one line. So for example, you need to pass to CRL, so one line would be better. I can print it so as you see fit. So let's go through some examples. So I have that was the first example, and another one. So for example, I have this object, right? This array have name and age, and we want to turn into like full name and age, right? So I paste the mapper here, and you have that the full name and age. That was a simple example. So let's try something a bit more complex with aggregation. So exactly what we did previously, and if we have this mapper, then see that we have the aggregation function to sum the properties here. And you can also have conditional logic. So let's see, we have people with age here, and you need to filter this, transform this into like an array of people to see whether they are older than 18 or not. So this is the mapper. So obviously Anna is not an adult, and now she is. Okay, so that is you can apply some logic into that. You can also introduce new properties. So for example, you want to include date into this. So for example, this is the original array, and this is the mapper. Let me see. Then you have this, and let me show you the mapper. So you map this into a student, object of student. So let me try this, another John. So we have like the map to from this to a student, and also adding some meta properties if you want to. And finally, we have some mapping and also transforming. So for example, we have a list of person, list of people with these properties. So we have Joe, and he has some dogs, and I want to transform this a simple array, still with name, but the dogs are in an array with just name. So here I can use this like that. So we have the dogs. So instead of having an array of object, like now you can have an array with a string. So that's it. That is how the tool I just made work. So hopefully it is useful to you guys. So feel free to drop a comment, and what do you think? Can this one be improved? Let me know. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.